Hey, this is Lynette from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I'm coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we're going to be unboxing the Target Beauty Box. So definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. Alright guys, so I am super excited to share. This is my actually second beauty box from Target. For those of you who don't know, let me step back. The beauty of the beauty box is this is a beauty box that is only offered online. There are beauty boxes within the store. These are $7. There's no commitment, not like subscription boxes. This is you get whenever you get it, whenever you want to get it. And it's only $7 plus sales tax depending on your state. I like it because this month, as of this video is being taped, there are 5 different beauty boxes. I think there's there's 3 that you can get in the Target store itself, but there's less items in that in those boxes, and then there's 2 that you can only get online. I did this last month, but I got the month prior because I felt like the February beauty box was way better than the March box. And if you look at the reviews, there's way more reviews on that one than March. March didn't impress me, so I actually didn't get March. I got this month, so this is for April. This is what's on the site right now. The one that I got, there's 5. I got the Naturals Beauty Box. To me, the Naturals Beauty Box was way more, had more value in it than the regular beauty box. So I felt it was in our best interest to get this one. It was the best interest of my family. Anyway, I thought it was better to get this one, in my opinion. I like that they let you see what's in those boxes so you can make those decisions yourself. So enough with the chit chat, let's get into the box. So this is the way that this Naturals box looks. Each box looks different. You can take a look at, and I'll put their link below. You can take a look and see what each box looks like, what's inside, and decide if you want to even get it at all. So this is what comes in the box. This says All Natural Beauty, and it has a bunch of mumbo jumbo that we're not going to read, but you can definitely pause it if you're interested in seeing what that says. And then on the back, it gives you a description of each item, and it also gives you a coupon so that you can use it at Target, and it looks like it's $3 off beauty purchase of $15 or more. So let's say if you got 2 beauty boxes and it's something for $1, you can get $3 off of any purchase, and there's a code and it expires next month. Super awesome. But what was in the box? So this is what it looks like. It has tissue paper, and then we're going to open it up, and this is everything that's in the box. I don't get Birchbox, but it kind of reminds me of like a Birchbox, but it's definitely filled up way more than a Birchbox box because of the tiny package. But so let's see what actually was in this box here. So let me see, what's the first thing? I have their website set up because I can see that one better. So the very first thing I am gonna pull out is from Shea Moisture. This is African. All these products are in the natural range. So this one is an African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash, and you can see that there. And then the African, let me look at the description. African Black Soap absorbs impurities, controls excess oils, detoxifies skin, while tamarind extract and tea tree oil brighten and clarify. So that's super fresh. And what's cool about this, it's a facial wash and scrub. This is 1.5 ounces. That's pretty big if you think about it. Compared to my hand, that is the size of my hand. So this is a pretty good size. And that's kind of what drew me to the Naturals box rather than the beauty box, in my opinion. I thought we got more value from this one. And then the next item here, this is from Love Beauty and Planet. This is a coconut water and mimosa flower hand lotion. Now, what woman in the world can't use another hand lotion, right? So let's take a look to see what this is. This is fast absorbing moisturizing lotion formulated with natural coconut water, leaves skin feeling nourished and smelling delicately fresh. Actually, let's take a look and see how this smells. And it has a safety seal, and I'm not gonna steal that because I will get in trouble from Abadabs. If you don't know who Abadabs is, She has me in too many subscription boxes. Definitely check her out. Every time she sees a safety seal, she sings her song. So I don't want to get in trouble for singing her song, so let's not take that away. You can go to her channel and actually go see her sing her song. So let's see how this one smells. And this is, it has a scent, a smidget of coconut, and it really smells good. So I'm not going to show this one to my daughter because she would totally steal it from me. And actually, I did not smell the facial scrub. This one also has a safety seal inside of it. Let me grab that really quick and see what this one smells like. And I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, you can see it. It's a little bit gray and it does have some scrub to it. And this one doesn't really have a scent to it, but it's doable because it's just a facial wash, so it's not like it's gonna stay on your skin. For me, as long as it does what it needs to do, I'm good. So let me see what else is next. And talking of good, the good stuff is here, so you guys can see that. And what this is a no rinse no rinse conditioner. This is a complete repair balm. And I don't know if you guys can tell, I have curly hair, so I am always in need of repair for my hair. So let me take a look to see what this one does. Let's see, where are you? Repair hair. Okay, so this is a plant-based detangler, leaves lock soft and smooth, while lightweight micro silicones shield hair from daily damage and repair strands with every use. So that's good. I always need repair for my hair every day of the week. And then the next item here, this is from Love Beauty and Planet. This is what is it? This is 2-minute magic mask, a renewal for dull hair. And we'll give you guys a glimpse of that. And where are you? Repair hair. Okay, here we go. So this is a Brazilian Muru. I'm not gonna butcher their name, so you guys can look that up online. This is Brazilian and an ethically sourced rose deliberate deep treatment that helps visibly recharge color treated hair with a boost of vibrant and shine. Like it, I have color treated hair and it needs vibrance and shine always. I don't know if I got you guys, but if you have curly hair, you guys dig what I'm talking about. So, and then the next item that we have here, this is from Cedarwood and Juniper. And the reason why I really picked this box is because my daughter has sensitive skin, so we kind of got to be careful on what she puts on her skin. So the reason for the natural box especially was for her. This one is natural plant and mineral derived ingredients help neutralize odor, while woodsy, cedarwood, and juniper keep you smelling fresh all day. Not keep your, but keep you. Get it right, Lynette. And last but not least, we have Burt's Bee Enamel Care. So this is a toothpaste, sorry. And if you guys didn't see that, it actually has $1 off coupon if we wanted to purchase the full size of this one. And then let's see what this one does. Specially formulated to leave your breath smelling fresh and your mouth feeling clean. Your enamel strong. Say hello to sparkly smile. So let's recap. So we got the toothpaste, we got the soap, we got the conditioner, and we got the hand lotion, and we got the hair mask, and we also got the facial scrub. So let us take a look at everything that we got here for $7. Some subscription boxes actually give you this and it's way more than $7. So I say this month Target definitely rocked it out. If you look at the website at the point of this video, there are way more reviews on this one and the regular beauty box than the other boxes. So I say get the ones that are either the natural beauty box or the beauty box that's on the site that could only be purchased online, because you're gonna get way more stuff. So what did you guys get? Did you guys get the natural box like we did? Did you guys check anything out yet? Because I literally just got this yesterday. Have you guys tried the products? Have you guys purchased Target beauty boxes before? Definitely let me know, since this is my second box. I definitely want any recommendations you guys can give me. And with that being said, definitely, if you dig videos like this, definitely like and subscribe. We're gonna do this often. I love making videos like this. So with that being said, definitely stay tuned for the most recent video that has been purchased on our, not purchased, excuse me, that has been added to our page. Definitely subscribe, let me know what you guys dig so we can keep making videos like this. So guys, see you on the next video.